Hey everybody, welcome to another video here on YouTube. And today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys my office organization and cleaning routine. I used to study in it every single day, basically all day for 2 years while I was in the nursing program. So it was basically the place I lived in for the 2 years that I was in the program. And there's a lot of stuff that needed to be cleaned out. A lot of things that needed to be put away, and I just don't use it as much anymore because since I'm done with school, I'm taking a break for now, and I don't use it as much. It's also downstairs. We have a split level house, so I tend to not go downstairs since most of our living space is on the first floor upstairs. So I just needed to kind of give it some attention, clean things out. I also had a huge mess in that room because I also have my storage closet in that room for all the Christmas things and things like that. And since I decorated for Christmas, it was a mess. So I needed to organize that, clean that up. Also, a lot of fall stuff was up. Needed to put that down. Kind of clean things out, organize it, put things away, declutter, and I gotta say, it feels amazing to see that it's finally clean. I've been graduated for about 7 months and I have not touched that room basically for the last 7 months. I think it's a little bit of a traumatic experience having to spend so many hours of studying in there that I was completely done with that room. So right before New Year's, it just needed some attention, some love, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video, give you some motivation to maybe clean your office as well. And if you guys are in school, just want to tell you guys that you're almost done. The end will come, I promise. And if you're not in school, maybe it's something that you want to do, so maybe that can be one of your New Year's resolutions, is to finally look into it. But either way, school, no school. Really hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this and give it a like.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling